Continuation of our lecture on construction of triangles, which is side angle side, and here we are with part B, where we will be drawing first our triangle with on all three sides given, and then we will be drawing angle bisector of a particular angle, and we will be measuring a particular length. So let's begin with the question. So here we are with the question that construct a triangle PQR such that PQ is 8.8 centimeter, PR is 9.2 centimeter, and QR is 10.4 centimeters. So first of all, we will make a triangle of all three sides given, and after that we will be doing the first part, which is we need to measure the angle of the longest side, the angle facing the longest side. So we will be drawing all these three lengths, and as we can see that QR is the largest length, so angle facing this QR would be measured. And after that we will be constructing an angle bisector of PQR, and then we will extend that line to cut PR and name the intersection as T. Then we will need to measure the length of PT. So let's first copy the data that PQ is 8.8 centimeter, PR is 9.2 centimeter, and QR is 10.4 centimeters. And this is case A, that is all lengths given. So here are steps of construction. That construct a line first that is 8.8 centimeter long, and we will name it PQ. After that we will place the sharp point of the compass at P, and we will mark an arc of 9.2 centimeter. After that we will place the compass at Q, and we will mark 10.5 centimeter arc, cutting that previous arc we drew before. After that we will join PR and QR to obtain triangle PQR. This would be the first part, and then we will be measuring with the help of the protractor the largest angle. After that we will be drawing the angle bisector of PQR, and then we will extend that line to cut PR, and then the intersection would be named as T. So let's see how to draw this on the piece of paper. So for question number 2, I have copied down the data that PQ is 8.8 centimeter, PR is 9.2 centimeter, QR is 10.4 centimeter, and we need to calculate the angle facing the longest side and PT. First of all, this is the first part where we need to draw the triangle which has all the three sides given, as I have done earlier in this video. And first of all, let's draw this triangle. First of all, we will draw the baseline, that is of 8.8 centimeter first line. This is 8.8 centimeters. So I will write it PQ, which is 8.8 centimeters. Now I need to draw the other dimension, that is PR, that is 9.2 centimeters. So I need to open up my compass till 9.2 centimeters. Here it is 0. This is 9.2. So this is 9.2. Now P and R is 9.2. So I'll place my compass at P, and I will draw an arc in order to make the other point. So this is done. Now I will be making QR, that is 10.4 centimeter. So I need to open up it a bit more, make it 10.4 centimeter. It's a bit small. This is 10.4. Now I'll keep it at Q and cut the previous arc. The intersection point will be named as R, and now we can complete PR and QR to obtain PQR. This length QR is 10.4 centimeters, and this PR is PR is 9.2 centimeters. So I need to calculate the angle facing the longest side. So which is the longest side amongst them? That 9.2, 8.8 and 10.4. So 10.4 is the largest side, and the angle facing 10.4 is angle P. So I need to measure angle P. That is, I'll place my protector here and I'll measure it. It is 71 degrees, 0 on the baseline, the inner one, and here it is 71 degrees. So this is 71 degrees. I can write as R P Q, P in the center, because the where we make the angle comes, the alphabet comes in between, and this is 71 degrees. Now for the second part, this is PT. So how we will draw T? As it is stated in the question that angle bisector of PQR, so we need to draw angle bisector of PQR. So we will bisect this angle Q in order to obtain T. So how we will bisect this Q? We will take the compass, we will open it up with any radius. First we will place it here, cutting both the lines. Then at the intersection point we will put the compass, we will make an arc. Then the other intersection point, making the arc again, and then we will join this intersected point and this point Q and extend the line to cut PR. As it is given in the question, where the line cuts PR, this point, this intersection point, is known as T, and we need to measure the length of PT. So here it is P and here it is T. We need to measure the distance between them. So we can keep the scale here and we can check for the measurement. That is 4.2 centimeters. So this PT is 4.2 centimeter. This is the answer of part 2. This is the answer of part 1. So this is how we make the triangle given all three sides given. Then we find the angle facing the longest side, that was 10.4 in this case, and then we have drawn the angle bisector of PQR and the line intersecting PR, that was named T, and the distance of PT, which is 4.2 centimeters. We have obtained this triangle PQR as, and we can see this that QR is the largest side and the angle facing it is P. So we have measured P, that is 71 degrees. Other than that, we can measure all these angles and we can see that this P angle is the largest one. Or we can just see that this is the largest side, so angle facing it would be the largest one, so we can measure it directly as well. After that, we have drawn an angle bisector of angle Q and the line is extended to cut PR at T, and we have measured PT, which is 4.2 centimeters, which was asked us by the examiner in part 2. So we are up for today, and I'll be coming up with the next video soon. Stay tuned.